County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin until 10 p.m. At 9:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Palmyra to near East Troy to near Lake Geneva, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source,
pretty good lightning.
radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs. Locations impacted include Union Grove, East Troy, Wind Lake, Rochester, Yorkville, Browns Lake, Waterford North, Potter Lake, Eagle Lake, Burlington, Waterford, Honey Creek, Kansasville, and North Cape. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe